Hi, my name is Bob McCune. I'm the author of and instructor for this course, and I wanted to tell you a bit about what you can expect to learn. This course will provide you with a comprehensive introduction to iOS development. Those aspiring to be iOS developers have it pretty good these days. There are many good books, tutorials, and blogs about iOS development, but these resources often leave you with a very fractured view of the platform. When you're getting started, you really need a well-defined learning path, and defining that path was one of my principal goals when developing this course. I've really focused on the pacing and progression of the topics we cover, so that each lesson and each chapter builds on the previous one, so that by the end of the course you'll have the knowledge and skills you need to build your own iOS app. We'll cover all of the essential iOS development tools, techniques, and patterns. Becoming an efficient, productive iOS developer isn't easy. For the overwhelming majority of people, iOS development is entirely new. A new programming language, a new suite of development tools, and a whole new set of frameworks. Developing for the iOS platform also requires a slightly different mindset than what you may be used to. Wrapping your head around all of this can be a challenge, but I'll be introducing you to all of these core concepts as we go along to help you make sense of it all. All tutorials are built around practical real-world examples. It's important to me that I don't simply introduce you to new concepts or new frameworks. I also want you to understand how these things fit together in the larger context of a real-world application. In this course, we'll be developing an app called iMusic. This app is used to manage a wish list of albums a user would like to buy from the iTunes Music Store. The user will be able to search for an artist, browse the artist's albums, view the album details, and add and remove albums from their wish list. We'll begin this project from scratch, and along the way learn about data persistence, table views, storyboards, interacting with web services, and even working with iCloud. It was a fun app to build and will help put the concepts we learned throughout this course into action. A question you may have is, what experience do you need to be successful with this course? The course requires no prior knowledge of iOS development. We'll begin at square one by installing the developer tools. I will provide you with an overview of Objective-C, but we'll assume you have an understanding of fundamental OO concepts like objects, classes, methods, and inheritance. Developing for the iOS platform is truly some of the most fun I've had in my whole career. I love helping developers make sense of this amazing platform, and hope you'll find this course to be helpful in your efforts to become an effective iOS developer.